Love Vibe, and today we're taking a look at a sports car. Well, judging by this cover box thingy, I don't know what to make of it or what to call it other than a regular toy sports car. And yeah, there's nothing special about this. It is a toy car, a remote control toy car to be exact, and it's orange from the looks of it, although the box suggests other colors as well. But this model is in orange, so yeah, that's cool, I think. So for now, let's open the box and see how this thing works. Okay, so this is an orange sports car, but although in the cover it says blue, and then red, and then red, and then white, and just a bunch of colors, but somehow I got the orange one, so yeah, it's not my favorite color, but you know, I'll take it. So there's nothing else it says other than some instruction how to get the thing to work, and maybe nothing else. Its full function is forward, backward, turn left, turn right, and stop, and it comes with some lights, some headlamp, and a wheel light. That's nice. Let's just open it up and see what it's made of. Okay, let's open it up. Yep. And this is what we've got. Okay, so this is the car and the remote. The remote is somehow, I don't know how to get it out. Okay, there's an antenna that is very sloppy attached to the back of the box, which is very disappointing. Yeah, just get it out. There's an antenna, and the remote can also be easily taken out, which is disappointing. And the car, well, you have to use a screwdriver to unscrew this, so I'm just gonna do that. Alright. Okay, so here's the car, and let's get rid of this. And for now, let's it's orange, and there's no driver inside. So let's just put in some batteries and add the antenna to the controller, and let's see how this thing, you know, works. Okay, so let's put in some batteries and get this thing to work. And first off is the remote. You need two for this one, so let's put in one and two, and close it. Somebody already unscrewed this, but okay. Okay, that's remote done, and yeah, it lights up, so I think that's working for now. And you also need 4 batteries for the car, so yes, that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, and that is 4. Okay, it's lighting up now, so yeah, that's good. Let's go. Okay, so this car worked basically like what you would expect. I mean, it goes forward and it goes backward, and it also turns right and turn left. Maybe I'll give you a better angle of how this works. So, an orange sports car. What do I think of this? Well, suggested retail price is a freaking $11. And for that, I think this is a bit much. I mean, this doesn't worth $11. I mean, it goes very, very slow. It turns weirdly. It almost doesn't turn at all. And when it does, it only turns to one side. And yeah, that's just really, really bad for my taste. So I cannot recommend this at all for anybody at all. So yeah, that has my opinions on this piece of toy. What do you think? Leave it down in the comment section below. Please like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter. I'm Yuzen from Feel Alive, and I'll see you soon.